Welcome to This Daily Life. We're bringing a little magic in your daily lives. Today we're here at
home.
So today we have a unboxing for you guys.
Yay! So we got the Lorcana Chapter 2 booster box.
Got a booster box, everybody.
Super excited that we found a booster box. It was released this weekend, so hoping that we get something good.
Let's go. Check it out. So here are the three covers.
So we have here Queen of Hearts, Raya, and the Beast.
Okay, let's open our first pack. It's gonna be 24 packs. We'll try to go quick though.
So we're hoping for some really good cards. We're gonna start building our new decks as well, and hopefully we get an enchanted Basil, and we have Belle. We have Frozen with Elsa and the Nook. Tigger. It's a really cute artwork this time.
Yeah.
Ooh, Ka. It's Benja, so that's Raya's dad. So we just got through the common card, so next is the uncommon. So we got Yzma, Cruella de Vil, Bashful. Ooh, we're gonna get some 7 dwarfs here. Alright.
Here's the rares.
Now we're gonna get some rares. It's gonna be either rare, super rare, or legendary. So we got a rare Gaston. We got Scar, another rare. And our foil is a rare Christopher Robin. That's nice.
Look at the foil. And now we have a new puzzle piece. Puzzle piece of Minnie.
Yay, Minnie. I think she's a scuba diver. So if you do collect, you want to put together all 4 and you get a Minnie. So hopefully we have a full set.
Yeah.
Alright. Pack 1 done. Pack 2.
Try to go faster this time. Pack 2. Queen of Hearts. James.
And Tiana's dad.
Eudora.
And it's Tiana's mom.
Croquet Mallet.
Hey, Alice in Wonderland.
This is Fidget.
Yep. Great Mouse Detective.
Another Benja.
Alright. Now we're gonna go to
The uncommons.
uncommons. Alright.
The Prince. Pain.
Ooh, hopefully you get Panic.
Buying Contract.
Ursula. Alright, now rare, super rare, or legendary.
New Year.
Ooh.
The super
Rare.
Super rare. Peter Pan's Shadow. Pretty
Alright.
cool.
And then our foil is common.
Common. Nothing to hide.
Okay, Gaston.
Foil.
Alright, cool.
And then the puzzle piece.
So we got Minnie's head.
Minnie's head. Here we go. The Nook.
Hope we're pronouncing it correctly.
Nook. The Nook. Rapunzel. Cusco's. Peter Pan's Dagger. Enchantress. Magic Broom.
Alright, now for our uncommons.
Oh, there's Ratigan.
Yeah. Great Mouse Detective.
Jafar. Isabelle.
Alright, next is our rare, super rare, legendary.
We got
Grandpappy.
super rare. Grandpappy.
Happy Grandpappy!
Another super rare. Namari.
Alright, and then our foil is
It's a rare.
Ooh.
Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
oh, Cinderella.
Cinderella. Alright, and another mini head. Cusco's. Ratigan. Here's a Mulan. Improvise. Cruella de Vil.
Cruella.
Piglet.
Oh, Piglet.
Piglet. Last Cannon from Mulan. Donald Duck.
Hey, Donald, he looks so cute in his tux.
Here's our sardine can. I think it's from the Rescuers, or if you guys know, please comment down below.
Or it could be from the Great Mouse Detective.
Yeah, maybe Great Mouse Detective. Rapunzel. Honest John.
Ooh, rare.
Honest John.
Ooh.
Super rare.
Ooh.
Check out this artwork.
Lady Tremaine. Look
at
at
this.
Lucifer.
It's like an anime. Anime drawing. Cool.
Alright, and then our foil.
Our foil is... Hey,
Hey, hey!
Look at him. Wow. And then our mini puzzle piece.
Let us know what cards you like.
Okay. Next pack. Got Owl.
Owl.
Isabelle.
Fairy Godmother. Another Radigan. Gaston. Benja. Okay, now we have Uncommon.
Queen of Hearts.
Robin Hood. Cheshire Cat. Flaversham. Great Mouse Detective. Rare Shah Khan. Foil. Common Rapunzel. Oh, another foot.
Gaston.
Rabbit. Another one of our dwarves.
Sneezy.
Jiminy.
Cricket. Boone.
Mariah. Tuk.
Charge.
Eli LaBeouf. From Princess and the Frog. Tigger and Roo. Pinocchio. Alright. So now it's a rare, super rare, hopefully legendary.
Super rare.
Ooh, super rare. The Queen. That's nice. Ooh.
Beast.
Another super rare.
Beast. The foil is Queen of
rare
Hearts.
Queen of Hearts.
And a mini head.
Another mini head.
Okay, next pack. Enchantress. Popsicle. Painting the rose red. Merlin. Crab. Baloo.
Hey, Baloo.
Tiana. Jafar. Belle.
Hey, Belle.
Fairy Godmother.
Hey, Fairy Godmother. Alright, now a rare, super rare, hopefully legendary.
Gruesome and Grim.
Madam Mim. Ooh, a rare.
Bubbles.
Silver Bubbles. Foil is?
James.
Alright, Tiana's dad. Okay.
I meant mini head.
Alright, hopefully we get enchanted.
Yeah, that'll be awesome. Queen of Hearts. Happy.
Yay, another dwarf.
I'm stuck.
Oh, poor Winnie the Pooh.
Another Tigger. Donald Duck. Prince Naveen.
Our uncommons.
Cruella de Vil. Yzma. Queen of Hearts.
Alright, our rare, super rare, hopefully legendary. So we got a...
The Huntsman. Radigan's Marvelous Trap.
And our foil is...
Gaston.
Okay, a rare...
Gaston.
Oh, no, a common Gaston. And another...
Foot.
A foot. Oh, we're getting heads and feet.
Chip.
Yay, Chip. We haven't got Chip yet.
Mulan.
Yay, Mulan.
Arthur. Basil. Rapunzel. Cinderella. Now our uncommons. Yzma. Cruella de Vil. Another dwarf. Bashful. Maurice. Workshop. Foil is Common Radigan.
Alright, and then what mini piece do we get?
Ooh, and Minnie's other hand.
Okay, finally. Something different. So we got Belle, Fairy Godmother, another Radigan, Gaston, another Rabbit, got a Beast, Uncommon, got a Robin Hood, ooh, Cheshire Cat, Blue Fairy, Winnie the Pooh, so got a super rare, Dr. Facilier, foil is Pain.
Foil. And then puzzle piece. At the end, if we have the whole puzzle, we'll show you.
It's Felicia, Queen of Hearts. Hey, it's the Duke of Weaselton. Almost like the Duke of Wesselton. Happy. Poor Pooh. Cannon. Belle. We got Nick Wilde. Pinocchio. Got a rare Flynn Rider. And we got a super rare, the Queen. And our foil is Hey, we got a panic. Now we got pain and panic.
Puzzle piece.
Lady Tremaine. So we got Elsa. So we got Verona, or I hope we're pronouncing it right, but from Raya. Jasmine. Mulan. Elsa. Uncommon. Minnie. Lawrence. Bucky. Rare Christopher Robin. Super rare Yzma.
Yzma.
Alright, and our foil is Hercules.
Go the distance. And then beat.
Another foil.
Minnie. Tigger. Donald Duck. Owl. Belle. Fairy Godmother. Beast. Here's a uncommon Nana.
Nana.
You Can Fly, Peter Pan. Boof. Bloof. Grand Duke.
Oh, he's a rare.
Pinocchio.
Pinocchio, he's a rare.
And our and our foil is Nothing to Hide. Nothing to Hide common foil.
Gaston.
And then Minnie's other hand.
Alright, did we get it?
Merlin Squirrel. Boone. Arthur. Owl. Sneezy. Benja. Uncommon. Ring the Bell. Fang Crossbow. Nana.
Nana.
Nana. Rare Bubbles.
Clover Bubbles. And we got a...
Legendary.
Yeah, we got a legendary, finally.
Namari.
Dang.
Foil card is a Tigger Bounce. Tigger Bounce foil card. And there is Minnie's hand.
Alright, next we got Gaston. Rabbit again. Sneezy. Jiminy Cricket. Got a Boone. Tiana. Uncommon. Blue Fairy. Hey, Snow White. And Gaston. 4 dozen eggs. Rare. Gaston. Whoa!
Oh, another legendary.
Another legendary.
And another.
Namari. Alright, we can create a good deck now.
And the foil is
Boo.
another puzzle piece of Minnie's, of another foot.
Legendaries are finally coming in, so hopefully we'll get more.
Okay, next one, Enchantress, Popsicle, Painting the Roses Red, Merlin, Crab, Blue, Benja, Uncommon Lawrence, Bucky, Yzma, Rare Radican, Spellbook. Our foil is Duke of Weaselton, common. Minnie, holding a flashlight, puzzle piece.
More than halfway through.
Okay, next pack. Boone, Arthur, Owl, Sneezy, Fairy Godmother, Donald Duck, you know, the uncommon Tigger Bounce. Hey, hey.
Hey.
Here's a Dopey.
Hey, Dopey.
Dopey. Here's a Rare Radican Marvelous Trap. Winnie the Pooh.
Oh. Rare.
And then our foil card is Nana.
Nana.
Mini Puzzle Head.
So we got a Fidget. Panic. James. Queen. Croquet. Elsa. We got Pain.
Uncommon.
Okay, we got Pain and Panic again. The Binding Contract. Caterpillar. Sleepy's Flute. Is it Sleepy's Flute? I can't see. Yeah, Sleepy's Flute's a rare. Another rare. And what's our foil, Alex? Wait. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Wait.
We got it! We got a legendary! It's enchanted!
Yeah, we got enchanted! Shere Khan.
Shere Khan!
Yeah, we got
We got enchanted Shere Khan!
Yay! Woo! Finally!
Wow! Keep that right. Mini Puzzle Head.
Yeah, this is really cool.
Wow.
Finally one. Yay!
That was pretty good, guys. Keep going. Hope we get another one.
another popsicle. Rose is red. Merlin.
Crab.
Blue with bananas. Oh, something different. Got Ray. Magic Broom. Doc. Madam Mim. Queen of Hearts. Oh, the Sorcerer's Spellbook. Duck Duck. Foil is alright, you can fly.
Oh. Foot. Minnie's foot puzzle piece. This is the next pack. Pooh, I'm stuck. Go the distance. Ratigan. Basil. Snow White.
Hey, Snow White.
Here's Uncommon Launch. Fairy Godmother. Zero to Hero.
Ooh.
A rare Cinderella. Rare Pete.
Oh, we haven't got Pete yet.
A common foil Benja.
Alright.
Mini head puzzle piece.
Alright, so we're down to 4 more packs.
One more pack, guys.
Ray. Yeah, nothing to hide. Eudora. Cusco. Ratigan. Oh, got a Jafar. I don't think we got Jafar yet. Got a Jafar. Koala Deville.
Here's Uncommon.
Okay, Bashful. I think we got already all our 7 dwarfs already, so. Okay, Queen of Hearts. A rare Noi. Oh, we haven't got her yet.
No way.
Madam Mim. Ooh.
Madam Mim.
And then our 4.
Oh.
Wait.
No Chanted.
Got another Enchanted! It's
Cinderella.
Oh my gosh!
Woo! Two in one box. Woo! And then the feet, Minnie's feet.
Alright, let's look at their. Wow! Got our 2 Enchanteds!
2 enchanted so far, guys. We got 3 packs more. 3 more packs to go.
Oh, this is better than our first chapter ones!
Gumbo Pot, Sleepy, Sword of Stone, Raya, Enchantress, Beast. Here's Uncommon Pacha.
Ooh, we haven't gotten Pacha yet.
We don't have her either.
Oh,
Uncommon Tiana.
Yay, Tiana.
Clogsworth. Super rare.
Grandpappy!
Grandpappy. Poppy. We got a legendary.
Yay, got a legendary Snow
No,
White!
Snow White.
Foil,
Foil
is...
is Basil. Foil Basil. And then the puzzle piece, Mini flashlight.
Alright, 2 more.
2 more, guys.
Alright, hope we get another
That
legendary.
was awesome. 2 already.
So next is Queen of Hearts, James, Dora, Croquet, Fidget, and another Elsa, Mouse Armor. I think we haven't gotten that one yet. Belle, Nick Wilde, got a rare Tuck Tuck. Ooh,
Wow, look at this guy.
got a rare Goofy.
Look at his stats. Crazy.
Our foil is Raya.
And then Mini's flashlight.
Alright, so this is our
Last
pack.
pack, guys. Oh, for another enchanted. We got 2 so far. 2. Last pack. Elsa. Lady Tremaine. Virana. Jasmine. Mulan. Cinderella. You can fly. Wreck-It Ralph. You can fight.
Oh,
Ooh, it's cool.
got a Daisy.
Daisy Duck. Gruesome Grim.
Madam Mim. Oh.
Ooh, it's a legendary Donald Duck.
Yay, got a Donald.
Our last one, and then the last and final foil is Dr. Facilier. And then her flashlight. We probably have all of them, so we could show you. So we do have all of them. We'll flash it on the screen for you of all her puzzle pieces.
All right, so man, this booster box is pretty good. Like we got a bunch of super rares and legendaries.
But we got the Enchanted. That was a great unboxing for us.
Yay! Hopefully we can find another booster box. So let us know if you guys pulled any enchanted cards. So we'd love to
See what you guys got.
yes.
Yeah. So I say thank you for watching. comment down below, like and subscribe, and see you real soon. Bye.